Whenever it comes to buying solar panels, the names that come to our mind are companies like Adani and Waaree, and currently Adani's name is at the top in the market. We also get many comments on our videos asking where Adani company panels are available, and especially the DCR panels which are made in India and on which subsidy is available have very high demand. But today we are going to compare the solar panels of both these companies and tell you which brand's solar panel is better for you. So here Adani and Waaree are currently two big names that almost have every type of technology available. If we talk about Adani company, they have solar panels with TOPCon technology in their Science series, which come with around 580 watt power. On the other hand, if we talk about Waaree company, they also have solar panels with ST technology, which generate more than 700 watt power. So here technology matters the most. If you take a polycrystalline technology panel from a best brand and compare it with a TOPCon technology panel from a normal brand, then the normal brand's top technology solar panel will give you better performance. That is why you should focus more on technology rather than only the brand. So here we will compare one solar panel from both companies and show you so that you can better understand which brand solar panel you should choose. But before that, let me tell you a little about both companies. For example, if we talk about manufacturing capacity, Waaree company currently has higher capacity. They have around 14 gigawatt of manufacturing capacity and they are slowly increasing it further. If we talk about Adani, they currently have around 4 gigawatt of manufacturing capacity and they are also increasing it gradually. So in terms of manufacturing capacity, you can see that Waaree company is currently ahead. However, Waaree company does not only have solar modules. Apart from that, you also get complete solutions. Whether you want on-grid, off-grid or hybrid, you can get a complete solution from Waaree company. So we also recommend the same thing, that when you install a solar system, you can choose any brand, but the complete setup should be from a single brand. That setup includes the inverter, the panels, and if you install an off-grid system, then it also includes the battery. If you take everything from one brand, you will also get better service. Now coming to solar panels, both companies provide solar panels with TOPCon technology. So we are going to compare those panels here. We have the data sheets of panels from both companies, and first let us talk about Adani company. In their Shine series, you get solar panels up to 575 watt, and in the Pride series, you get solar panels of 670 plus watt. If we talk about Waaree company, in their Elite series, they offer N-type TOPCon technology solar panels. In this series, you get solar panels up to 715 watt. So here, in both technologies, you get panels of different wattages, but the most important point comes to degradation, because the technology is the same in both. So here, which panel will degrade faster? Meaning, if you use a solar panel, after how many years it will start producing less power? First, you can see this graph of Waaree company. Here you can see that the linear performance warranty is shown in the green area and the standard performance warranty is shown in gray color. Here, this is the year scale. That means even after 30 years, your solar panel will still produce around 87.4% power. On the other side, if we talk about Adani company, they have also provided linear performance warranty. In that, you can see they have also mentioned 87.4%. So the solar panels of both companies will perform equally and their degradation will also be equal. Whether you take Adani company panels or Waaree company panels, both will work at the same capacity even after 30 years. Now, let us talk about some key features. Here, you can see the key features of Adani company written, which you can read. These features are almost the same in every brand because all these features depend on the technology of the solar cells used inside the panel. Now, if we talk about price, you will not see much difference in the prices of both companies. If we talk about DCR technology solar panels, then in both companies, you can get DCR solar panels at around 27 rupees per watt. And this price can go up or down at any time because currently there is a shortage of DCR panels in the market. That is why prices keep fluctuating. On the other hand, if we talk about non-DCR solar panels on which subsidy is not available, then you can easily get them at around 18 to 20 rupees per watt. So here you have seen that in TOPCon technology solar panels of both companies, there is not much difference, and both companies give 12 years product warranty and 30 years performance warranty on their solar panels. So now you need to see which brand provides better service in your area. Although both companies provide service almost all over India, Waaree company's service network is slightly bigger, so you can easily get their service. Now you tell us, according to you, which company's solar panel is the best and which company's solar panel you would prefer to purchase. So that is all for today's video. If you still have any questions or suggestions about this, then comment in the video comment box. If you like the video, then like it and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel. Along with subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you keep getting such videos from time to time. Thank you.